Hey there, traveler! Do you want to visit Cambodia from Thailand on a budget? Well, let me show you how to do it by bus. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of traveling from Bangkok to Siem Reap by land. I'll cover everything, including what to prepare, how to cross the border, and how much it all costs, so be sure to watch till the end. First up, let's talk about getting your bus ticket. There are many websites to buy them online, but I personally purchased mine at 12go.asia. I'll put the link to this in the description box below. On the website, just enter Bangkok as your starting point and Siem Reap as your destination. Pick your travel dates and voila! A list of buses and vans will pop up. I went with Travel Bus Asia and got my ticket for 1,250 baht each way. So it's 2,500 baht for a round trip. What's great about this bus is that they provide snacks, bottled water, coffee, lunch, Wi-Fi, and even a charging port. Plus, there's a toilet on board, which is perfect if you're someone like me who needs frequent bathroom breaks. Honestly, I think it's a pretty sweet deal for the price. After buying your ticket, download the receipt from your email and save it on your phone. You can also print it out if you prefer. Now let's talk about your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months and don't forget to check the visa requirements. For us Philippine passport holders, no visa is needed to enter any ASEAN country including Cambodia. Here's a quick tip for Filipinos. If anyone asks you to pay a visa fee, just say no. It's likely a scam. On the day of your trip, head to the bus stop. Travel Bus Asia's office is near Khao San Road.
Hello, we're on our way to the Travel Bus Asia bus station because we're going to Siem Reap. First trip together.
First trip together.
Outside the country. That's not the Philippines.
Once you're in the office, show your receipt to the receptionist and they'll give you the official ticket. They'll also let you choose between 3 food options for lunch. What I love about this bus company is their super helpful attendant. They guide you through everything, which is a big relief if you're like me and worry a lot while traveling.
On the way to Siem Reap, we will have 2 stop points. We have 2 stop points. The first stop will be at the local restaurant. Estimate time will be at the local restaurant about 10 o'clock in the morning. At the local restaurant, we will pick up our lunch box there. We can do for the return toilet break over there as well, about 10 minutes. Estimate time we will reach there about 10 o'clock in the morning. And the second stop at the border, Aranyapathet checkpoint, is about, we will reach there about 12:30 at noon. Okay, at the border, all of us have to get off from the bus for the border crossing process. Okay, here is our journey today. And okay, come back to our service on the bus. We also have a Wi-Fi here, put in here and in the middle of the bus, password and username. We also have a toilet in the middle of the bus for your emergency, and also have a coffee corner for by self-service. You have to do it by your own. Okay, and later I will distribute you for the snack, water, and double check your travel document about passport, about visa. In case you need some support document, we can prepare for the document for you. Okay, and for your safety and comply with the secure transportation law between Thailand and Cambodia, I would remind all of you to fasten your seatbelt during your seat on the bus. Thanks for your attention and have a good time on the bus. ขอบคุณค่ะ
This is
We're
the
at
first
stopover. We came to grab our lunch and then have toilet break.
Yep.
And then
We're gonna get back on the bus, back on the road. So I think we'll just eat our lunch in the bus. What about you?
yeah, me too.
Yeah, we're quite full. It's still 10:15. about 4 hours to reach Aranya Pratet, which is where you cross the border from Thailand to Cambodia. To assist us with the border crossing, our bus attendant gave each of us a lanyard to wear.
At Aranya Pratet with our lanyards.
While the bus attendant will be with you to cross the border, I still recommend that you stay alert and make sure that you have your passport and visa. When lining up at the immigration, stay calm and follow the officer's instructions. They didn't ask me any questions. The officer just scanned my fingerprints and then stamped my passport.
Hello. Hi. Nakagawas na mi sa immigration sa Thailand, and next we will go to the Cambodian immigration. It's gonna be a long wait. Hi! Naanami sa Cambodia. Let's go. So, we have to look for the meeting point. Tara, let's go. Guys, pagdalag pa yung kayo makasunog sa skin. We got lost. Yay! I got lost. But we made it back to the bus. What did we do then?
We asked directions. I asked directions. She said turn left. Supposed to be?
Turn right. So guys, actually I have a very bad sense of direction, but my confidence is sky high. So I walk confidently in the wrong direction. So the process there. We got off the bus. Then we passed by the Thai immigration, and then we went to
Cross the border,
and then we went to the Cambodian immigration. We got our passport stamped, and then walked out. So walk to the main road and then turn right, guys. Once you see the rotunda, turn right, and then you
for this agency.
yeah, very good in town. Yes. And then we're on the bus. Enjoy the aircon. Bring an umbrella. You know how hot it gets in Thailand, Cambodia, Southeast Asia. So yeah, we have umbrellas and sunscreen.
If you appreciate all the effort I put into making this video, please let me know by clicking the like and subscribe button.
Kingdom of Cambodia. So from now we will take about 3.5 hours. We will take 3.5 hours to reach to Siem Reap. Okay, and one thing I would like to remind all of you that this one called immigration card. This one called immigration card. You have to keep it until you exit from Cambodia. This paper, if you are at the immigration checkpoint, another way else, like a border checkpoint or at the airport, will keep this paper. If you lost this paper, you will waste the money to pay for the penalty about $5. Okay, and from now we will take about 3.5 hours, no more any stop to Siem Reap. Our stop point we call Hue Ling Market. Our stop point we call Hue Ling Market. Once we almost reach to the Siem Reap city, I will wake you up all of you again. And anyway, thanks so much for cooperating at the border. Today we faster than we expected. Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ thanks so much.
In Siem Reap. Ay. Nabilin siya. Nabilin. How does it feel to finally be in Siem Reap?
Yeah.
Siem Reap.
Siem Reap. They don't call it Siem Reap, right?
I don't know. But we're gonna look for food. You wanna eat there? So first thing for the day is to eat dinner. Alright, let's go to Hue Ling Night Market.
Finally, after a few more hours on the road, we arrived in Siem Reap at around 5:30 p.m. We grabbed some dinner at a nearby restaurant before taking a grab ride to our hotel. When it comes to money, don't worry. There are a lot of ATMs to withdraw cash and stalls where you can exchange your currency to Cambodian riel. For internet, I use the Airlo app to get an eSIM. It's super convenient and they have affordable internet packages. Use my referral code Jamrell3633 to get $3 off your first purchase. And that's it. I wish you the best of luck on your adventure. See you and carpe diem. Go and seize the day.